moving on to exercise questions. Let A equals 1, 2, 3, 4 until 14. Okay. Now define a relation from A to A by R equals x comma y such that 3x minus y equals 0. So you have a relation between x and y such that x and y both belong to A. Correct? So இப்போ இதை வந்து write the domain, codomain and range. So let me draw an arrow diagram to make it more simpler for you. So I have A to A is the relation. So what are my elements in A? It is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 14. And again I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 14. So these are all going to be my elements of A and these are all going to be my elements of A again. Now when we're talking about this particular relation, I have 3x minus y equals 0. So I have y equals 3x. So this is the relation. Correct? If x oda value 1 irundhuduna, when x oda value is 1, I'll have y equals 3. So it is going to be multiples of 3. So now I'm going to cross using the arrow diagram. So x is equal to 1, y is going to be 3. When x is equal to 2, 2 3s are 6. So this is going to be my arrow diagram. When x is equal to 3, I have 8, 9, 9. It is going to be 3 3s are 9. So similarly, I have 4, 4 3s are 12. Then I have 5, 5 3s are 15. 15 is not in the set. So I should not consider this. So this is how my arrow diagram looks like. Okay. So what are the elements going to be in the relation? It is going to be set of all ordered pairs 1, 3. See the arrow diagram. Look at the arrow diagram. So I have 1, 3. Then I have 2, 6. Then I have 3, 9. 4, 12. 5, 15. So these are all going to be my ordered pairs. Okay. So this is the relation. Now domain, codomain and range. So what is my domain? All permissible values in the relations that are in the x coordinate. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Range is going to be all permissible values which are in the y coordinate in the relation. In the relation is very, very important. Okay, so I have 3, 6, 9 and 12. What is my codomain? Codomain is going to be everything. All these elements that are in the output. So it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 14. Okay, please copy. Question number 2. Define a relation R on the set n of natural numbers. So R is defined on natural numbers such that x comma y is y equals x plus 5 and x is a natural number less than 4. So you have two different conditions. So you have a relation between x and y. So y equals x plus 1, 5. Y equals x plus 5 and I have x is a natural number which is less than 4, not equal to 4. Appa x oda values enna agapodhu? X is going to take 1, 2 and 3. Natural number starts from 1 and it is less than 4. So on the condition kuduthirukku. So x oda values enna? It is only going to be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and x comma y belongs to natural numbers. Depict the relation using roster form. Write down the domain and the range. Okay, so now I have x oda value whenever it is 1. Y is going to be 1 plus 5 which is going to be 6. X oda value 2 na, y is going to be 2 plus 5 which is 7. X is equal to 3, y equals 3 plus 5 which is 8. So what is my relation going to be? Relation is going to be x comma y. Correct? So you have to write x first and then y. So I have 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. So this is going to be my relation. They are asking for the domain and the range. So what is going to be my domain? When I talk about the domain, it is going to be the first element. Range another, it is going to be my second element of the ordered pair in the relation. Okay. So domain equals 1, 2 and 3. Range equals 6, 7 and 8. They have not asked for the codomain, but what is the codomain? You guys tell me. Codomain is going to be all natural numbers. Okay, question liye kuduthirukanga. So it is going to be all natural numbers. We are considering all natural numbers. Relation kulla mattumda we have a condition. Okay, so on the particular condition applies only for domain and range, not for the codomain. Okay, question number 3. A equals 1, 2, 3, 5. B kuduthirukku. Define a relation from A to B. So we are defining a relation from A to B such that the difference between x and y is odd. So difference between x and y is going to be odd. X belongs to A and y belongs to B. Okay, so now A has the elements 1, 2, 3, 5 and B has 4, 6, 9. So this is how you draw the arrow diagram. Okay, they're not asking for the arrow diagram, but let us just draw for simplicity. Okay, இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல these are going to be my x values and these are going to be my y values. X belongs to A and y belongs to B. Okay, clear? Now, if x oda value 1, so what are all going to be the relation? I'm not going to solve each and everything. You guys know this pretty straightforward. Okay, இப்போ difference வந்து odd ஆ வேணும். So when I consider the relation from 1, so I have 1, 4, 1, 6 and 1, 9. What is the difference between them? 1, 4 எடுத்துட்டோம்னா 1 minus 4 is going to be minus 3, which is going to be odd. So let me just write the relations. Okay, so I have 1, 4. The difference is going to be odd. 1, 4 na 1 minus 4 is going to be minus 3 and it is definitely a odd number. Okay, so 1, 6. 1, 6 is going to be 1 minus 6, which is minus 5. In the relation எடுத்துக்கிட்டா it is going to be an odd number. Yes. Now 1, 9. 1, 9, the difference is going to be 8. So I should not take this particular ordered pair. Okay, so let me just erase this for you. So this is not going to work. Now I'm going to take the second number. 2 with 4, 6 and 9. So 2, 4 varuma varadu. 2, 4 na 2 minus 4 is going to be minus 2. It is going to be an even number. When you take 2, 6, that is also going to be an even number. So I can take 2, 9. 2, 9 na the difference is going to be 7. So it is going to be an odd number. Okay. Now we are going to take 3. So 3, 4, 3, 6 and 3, 9. So 3, 4 na the difference is going to be 1 minus 1. So it is an odd number. 3, 6, 3 minus 6 is going to be minus 3. So it is going to be an odd number. 3, 9. 3, 9 na the difference is going to be 6. It is an even number. So I am going to erase this. Okay, it is not going to work. Now what is my last number? 5. So 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 9. Okay, when I write 5, 4, I see that the difference is 1, it is an odd number. If 5, 6, the difference is again 1, it is an odd number. 5, 9, the difference is 4, it is an even number, so I should not write that. Okay, I'm not writing that. So the relation will have all these elements. So I've written that in roster form. They're not asked for the domain and the range, but I'll still write it for you. So the domain is going to be all the x coordinates. So by now you should be very well versed with this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 5. So these are going to be my elements of the domain. Range வந்து என்ன இருக்க போகுது? Range is going to be 4, 6 and 9. What is my codomain? Codomain is going to be everything that is in the output. So இது எல்லாமே வரும். Codomain is going to be the range itself in this particular question. Okay, please copy. Question number 4. Figure shows relationship between the sets P and Q. Write this relation in set builder form and roster form. ரொம்ப easy. Okay, and relation is going to be 5 and 3 are linked. So 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so they have not put arrows for 5, 4, 5, 5. இதெல்லாம் போடல. இதெல்லாம் வந்து Cartesian product ல வரும், but it is not coming in the relation. Okay, please be very clear. They are asking us to write this in the set builder form. Set builder formula இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? How can you write this? I see that the difference between them is 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. Okay, so how can I write this in the set builder form? R equals set of all ordered pairs x, y such that x belongs to P. Correct? This x, this y. So x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Y belongs to Q, comma, the difference between x and y. The difference between x and y is 2. So this is how you can write this in a set builder form. Okay, and this is the roster form, regular way of writing this, and this is the set builder form. So this is my roster form and this is my set builder form. Now they are asking for the domain and the codomain. So now you guys have to tell me what the domain is and what the range is. So domain and range enna? Domain வந்து relation la irukra x coordinate. So it is going to be 5, 6 and 7. Range enna? Y coordinate. Relation la irukra y coordinate. So 3, 4 and 5. What is my codomain in this particular case? All these. 3, 4, 5 is the codomain. Okay, you guys write that. Please copy.